If you purchase access control equipment from Nelly Security, we have a huge update that I think you're really going to love. Thanks to our partnership with Rack Mount Solutions and Newbart products, we now offer an entire range of ID badge solutions, including printers, accessories, and more. Let me explain to you why this is such a big deal and how it can completely change the game of your access control systems. For the past year or so, we've been able to offer you premium branding on all of your access control credentials. This is great for when you want to put your logo on your access control cards or maybe some kind of unique design, but there is a huge limitation here in that if you buy a pack of, say, 20 access control cards, all 20 cards will have the exact same design. In the past, it's been pretty much impossible for us to customize each individual card per employee, but that has all changed thanks to Newbart products. As a division of Rack Mount Solutions, Nelly Security now has the opportunity to bring you a ton of new products and solutions that we've never had before. One such solution comes from our sister company, Newbart Products. The people over at Newbart are experts when it comes to access control credentials, ID badges, printers, and customization software. These products are a perfect complement to any access control system purchased from Nelly Security. And now we have these Newbart products directly on our website. So now you can purchase your access control equipment and your ID badge accessories all from the same place, all with one invoice, and all backed by excellent customer service, whether it's the security side from Nelly's or the ID badge side from Newbart. Let me tell you exactly what you can do with these new products. First, with the ID badge printers and with the Assure 7 software, you can build templates to completely customize each individual access control badge. For instance, you can add variables into your template for first and last name, company or position, employee ID. You can even add placeholders for images, and you can even have separate colors as variables. Then all you have to do is upload a spreadsheet of data, print out your ID cards, and you have unique and customized cards for each member of your staff, of your building, your event, or whatever it is you need ID badge access control credentials for. This gives you so much more power and flexibility than you've ever had before when it comes to customizing your access control credentials. In addition to this, we now have clamshell holders complete with either a lanyard or a reel, all coming in a variety of colors to match your brand. I'm super excited about this. I hope to show you more in depth how this Assure 7 software works because it's really cool. I geek out about stuff like this all the time, and I can't wait to geek out about it with you. Let us know if you have any questions about these products. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think about Newbart. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel and follow us across social media so you never miss another piece of security content. Happy installing, and I will see you in the next video.